Hi guys, welcome back to Spot Area channel. Now I will give you a tutorial how to fix missing Enter key in WhatsApp for the Xiaomi. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So don't miss out our videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And let's go to the start it. First, we go to the WhatsApp application that you have been to install it before, and go for the message or the chat, and you can see there is a no enter here, no enter, just to delete it. Actually this position is a half of the enter position or enter key, and how to make your enter key in WhatsApp is appear to you. You can go back and you can click the three dots in the upper of the right corner, and let's go to the settings. And after that you can go to the chat here, tap on for the chat, and let's go to the enter is sent here. You can tap until it has the gray one. Okay, and after that you can go back and go to the message or the room chat to see your chat, or to see the chat of the enter is appear, and that you can see in the below here the enter the key is appear to you, and not missing again. It's a very simple way to do it. Okay, I think it's enough to how to fix missing enter key in WhatsApp on Xiaomi. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention. Enjoy for this video and have a nice day. Bye.